Hey guys, it's Athena here, back with part 2 of the farm tour. We are at the calf barn right now. So we got a little area. Okay, so first thing, there's the ducks. The white one, his name is Jan. The goose, her name is Lulu. And then the other one, his name is Lucky. Okay, so let's keep going. All right. Okay, so here's the cats. The little trash cats. Clover. Doodles. Melon. That's J-Kit. There's Bob. And Hey Hey. Now, moving on in. This is inside of the calf barn. In here is our milk room where we feed all the calves. Hun. Over here, we have our automatic milk machines. Weird, I know. See that one in the back without mirror tag that's looking at you? That's Bella. See, here's one of the automatic milk machines. Or that's like where they get the milk. And there's another one. In here is the other milk room where the actual milk machines are. So here's one when it looks like when it's shut. Actually, yeah. Then inside, that's where the cleaning supply stuff comes out. In here, the milk powder. Then you lift that up, that's where the milk is. Let's see if I can get it shut now. Okay, anyways, computer. Where all the data is stored. Over here, we've got more milk things. There's a tractor. This is Bessie. Her mom, his name is Marigold, she's my brother's cow. And Bessie is a milking shorthorn cross with a Holstein. Holsteins are the black and white ones, and milking shorthorns are normally red. Over here, this is George. He's a red and white Holstein. And here we have Clarence. He's an Angus beef cow. He's my little baby. He likes sucking on my finger. Now we're gonna go back this way. Back through the milk room. Oh, look, there's Hun Hun again. back down this way. You didn't get to see down over here, so that's where we're going next. There's the kitties. They got so big. Over here, we got more pens. It's Friday, so we're getting new baby calves today. Over here, this is Potato Chip. He's my baby. He's a big boy. This is Pepper, Gemma, and yeah, this is part 2 of the farm tour in the calf barn. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe.